So if you're anything like me, you have an online business, and day after day, you're looking for different tax deductions to make your life as an entrepreneur easier. Is my laptop deductible? My car? How about a new pool I put in the backyard? If you're not asking yourself these things, you should start ASAP, because that means you're not maxing out your tax deductions. And that means you're paying the IRS more money in taxes than you need to. After watching this video, you have a better idea of which expenses are considered tax deductible. So let's dive right in. Number 1, business meals. If you are eating or doing business, you can deduct the cost of your meals as a business expense. Just make sure you keep note of what kind of business you're doing. Who are you with when you're having the meal? Receipts are your best friend in this case. Number 2, business insurance. Insurance taken out to protect your business, products, or services, and you is a deductible expense. So you don't have to eat that cost, deduct it from your business taxable income, and get that money back. Number 3, interest on business loans and bank fees. Did you take out a loan to start your business or maintain it? The interest paid on the loan for loans is a tax deduction, plus any bank fees you pay to maintain your business account or to send a wire or collect funds or get paperwork processed. It's all tax deductible. Number 4, work-related card use. If you're using your personal card to support your business operation as an emergency vehicle for your business, and you're using your card to also go to the bank to apply for loans, meetings, or meeting new prospects, or even perform services for other business and part of your business operation, then you can deduct the cost of your vehicle's mileage, insurance, maintenance, repair that is used when you use your personal vehicle for business purposes. Number 5, work-related travel. Any travel fees incurred during the operation of your business are tax deductible. To do business, you may have to take an airplane, a train, a taxi, stay at a hotel overnight, or rent a car. Those fees are, you got it, deductible. Number 6, office supplies. Money spent on office supplies like paper, pens, highlighters, paper clips, staples, file folders, all tax deductible. Even a bookshelf. As long as you're using the office supplies strictly for your business, it is a tax deductible business. Number 7, home office deduction. Never forget that if you're using your home, garage, storage unit, desk, study, kitchen table, anything else that's part of your personal assets to do business, you can deduct expense from your annual business earnings. Make sure you calculate the percentage of space that is the only use for your business, noting how you came up with the calculation, and use the same percentage for all the costs associated with that space. Number 8, phone and internet fees. It is accepted that you must have a phone and internet access to do business, especially in online business. If you are using your personal phone and internet access to operate your business, you can deduct a percentage of that usage from your business revenue. If you're using a phone line and internet access strictly for your business, then you can deduct 100% of the cost of that from your business earnings. Number 9, depreciation. Depreciation is when equipment and tools are going through their normal wear and tear. That counts as a deduction in the eyes of the IRS. So office machinery, tools, furniture, buildings, they don't last forever. So make sure you depreciate your office business assets, then deduct the cost from your annual business income. Number 10, professional service fees. Professional service fees are fees paid professionals to provide services to your business. The types of fees included are legal, accounting, bookkeeping, tax, financial planning, investment, and even notary fees. Their cost of doing business are entirely tax deductible. Number 11, employee salaries and benefits. If you employ anyone to work as a staff for your business, you're allowed to deduct your employees' salaries, bonuses, and benefits from your business income. So be a great boss, provide great income, terrific bonuses, awesome benefits for your employees, because it's all tax deductible. Number 12, education. Any conferences, seminars, professional meetings, or academic courses that you enroll in for business purposes are tax deductible. Number 13, child and dependent care. If you're required to pay for child care or dependent care while you operate your business, the IRS allows you to deduct the cost of it. Child care, we all know, includes daycare, babysitting, maybe even tutors for your kids so that your kids have someone to supervise them and assist with homeworks. What about dependent care? Well, dependent care is when you pay for a caretaker to look after your elderly parents, disabled relative, or anyone else who needs assistance and is dependent on you. Number 14, charitable donation. All charitable donation made by your business to legally recognized charities are tax deductible. Make sure you keep the receipts so that you can prove to you made the charitable donation and it was made in the name of your business and not you personally. Number 15, interest on money borrowed to make investments. If you borrow money to make financial investments for your business, interest on those loans is tax deductible, so make sure you take advantage of that, especially if you have to take out a loan. Number 16, medical expenses. Were you ill during the year? Did you need to visit a doctor, get some drugs from a pharmacy, or buy medical equipment? If so, All those expenses are tax deductible. Number 17, property taxes. Any property taxes that you're required to pay in order to run your business are of course tax deductible. You're required to show how much of the property that has been taxed is used by your business, and that the percentage you're allocating towards your expense is represented by the amount of space you're using to run your business. Number 18, mortgage interest. Are you paying a mortgage on an apartment, condo, house, boat, or business where you're building where you run your business? If you are, you can deduct the cost of the mortgage interest from your taxable business income. If you're not using the entire mortgage interest paid for the property from your business income, make sure you're doing that now, because that is a big fat deduction that you're probably missing out on. Number 19, moving expenses. If you're required to move in order to operate your business, expand it, develop it, or even maintain 2 different places of business in order to run your business, then you can deduct the moving expenses from your taxable business income. Moving expenses include the moving truck, moving men, tape, boxes, packaging, popcorn are all tax deductible expenses. Number 20, startup costs. The IRS allows you to deduct your startup costs for a new business from your business revenue in the first year of your startup. Number 21, research and development, otherwise known as R&D. Research and development costs are tax deductible. If you're paying for product testing, service modification, analysis of your business offering, or anything else that impacts your business goods and services, how they're implemented, and how they're delivered to your customers, those costs can first be capitalized and then amortized and deducted on your tax returns. So these are the top 21 tax deductions for entrepreneurs. They're of course not the only tax deductions available to entrepreneurs. Don't only think about tax deductions, there are also other ways to reduce your tax burden. What is a tax credit? A tax credit is money given to a taxpayer that can be subtracted directly from taxes owed. They're used to economically incentivize businesses to engage in conducts that benefits the environment, economy, and other things considered important or a priority by the government. Tax credits are better than tax deductions because they reduce your taxes 1 of 1. That means that for every dollar of tax credit you're getting, you're reducing your tax liability directly by that dollar. They are not dependent on your taxable business income for the year in which they are claimed. In fact, you can claim tax credits in a year in which your business did not earn any taxable income. Consequently, by using tax credits, you can decrease the taxes you pay to the government, but also increase your overall refunds when money provided by the government to incentivize your business to do more of what it likes what once done in the private sector. Consider the following tax credits. Research and experimental tax credit. Get a tax credit for investing in research, innovation, and new technologies. Small business innovation research tax credit. This tax credit available to businesses of all sizes and type allow businesses with less than $5 million in annual gross receipt to get refunds for their research and development related expense. Renewable energy tax credit. This tax credit provides money to businesses that invest in renewable energy projects. Research and development tax credit. This credit can be used to offset the alternative minimum taxes and payroll taxes. It can be used by businesses of all sizes. The purpose of the tax credit is to incentivize companies to invest in research and development. Work opportunity tax credit. A tax credit used to motivate businesses to hire unemployed Americans. It can be used to reduce business taxes owed by giving small business tax credit for health insurance premiums paid. For any more questions, make sure to subscribe to my channel and smash that thumb up button, please. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave a comment below. We always try to get back to you and answer that question, or make a video if it's a topic that enough people want to know about. Thank you so much for watching. Alan out.